This is me editing. Disclaimer, this is gonna be a long ass video cause akong tuyo magid ani nga vlogs sa akong YouTube kay for memories and all. So di na ko i-cut ang tanan jud og ang mga boring parts. I mean, I did cut off the boring parts a bit. Pero like it's for memories ba? So also sa tunga na part gikapoy na ko edit. Napakoy waton ng maya. Gusto na ko magpahuway ug tanaw TV. So peace out. Hey guys, guess where I'm at? I'm in MNL with the gays. Hi!
Hi.
This is
Paulo. Hi.
This is
Mark.
period. We're buying stuff.
Regarding that.
Uy, bye! Say bye to my vlog. Our first and last meeting.
Malay mo. Malayo pa. You don't know.
We're booking Grab now because we're going back to our hotel now. Guys, I forgot to vlog, but we're here now sa gate na mo and we're waiting na mag-open na ang gates. So many people. It's so packed. Food from we already ate. And I'm so full. So we're gonna land soon. Guys, we're in the hospital right now kasi Mark naglain niyang paminaw. I look like shit, but naglain niyang feeling. So I'm here waiting lang for him. Sabi ni Steffi, iwan ko na daw kasi abal. Guys, update. Okay na si Mark and nanam sa night market. Ang butasan ni Dapit. Ano, kabaw. We're in the night market.
他少我30岁。哎，我几岁的你晓得？我每天都吃这个，不会打。我几岁的？有数啊？啊，
Yut. Yut. Asa ay kalal. About to eat. Ay, wow. Galit si Akling. And I have watermelon shake. Eating chow fan and chicken. Na para bang doktor siya. Na para bang na hospital. We finished dinner and we're going back to the hotel na. Nasa hotel there. At nagbabading-badingan na siya kasi wala na yung atin niya. Yan. Dumadlad ang kabadingan. It's the fit. I look like a bum because tara yun kay 12:10. Guys, we're in our hotel na and this is our room. It's a cute little room but it's enough for us. Pero kusog kayo mas nurse. It's okay. And the bathroom is literally next to me. But can't wait to explore Taiwan. Ni hao ma? Our first official day. On the way to... What's that there?
Championship.
We got lost for a bit. Ganyan and then... Pero naka-turtle lang. I was the navigator. Guys, we're walking towards the Memorial Hall now.
Chiang Kai-shek. That's what you call it, not Chiang Chak-shui.
It's hot, but it's the same sa Philippines.
It's hot, but it's windy at the same time. The weather is good.
Sino nagtanong? Almost there. We're here, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. It's so hot. But so am I. Charot. Ganyan siya. Igor may mag-picture deleted. Sibat. Done na mi there, guys. And on the way na mi sa train station to go to katong ali sa Taipei 101. Ang bakla ay gisingot na siya. This is the surroundings. We're on the train. Look at the train. Guys, I don't know what district na name, but we're here. This the view. Matumi pa doon sa katong ali na makita ang Taipei 101 sa likod. Yes! This is the view. So guys, nasaag mi. Thanks to me. Nasaag mi kay lahi na restaurant amo nang adtuan. Nya dito day nga sa usa day ka restaurant.
Was it dua day lang branch?
Lahi day nga branch. So right now nag-Uber na lang mi para di na mi kapuyon sige lakaw. We're here.
Kadalit na nga.
Muna among gining na makita ang Taipei 101. Muli dapat ang restaurant na among gipin niya. Lahi nga branch among napin. Akong napin. We're in the bus now. On the way to Taipei 101. We're inside Taipei 101 right now. Mark's ordering food and I'm waiting for my turn. After he orders, I'm gonna order my food. Girl, the country tao like as in. We were gonna eat sa Din Tai Fung, but grabe kataas ang pila. Guys, this is what I ordered. This is my food, guys. I'm gonna eat now. Guys, we're here on the 88th floor of Taipei 101. We ordered something but wala na. Guys, this is the view from the 88th floor. We're here in Jiminde. Nanayo sila. Go girls! Guys, someone's singing. I bought something from body spray. Guys, next damage. Of course, I can pass by CK lang. I need to go there. So I bought something. Now I'm going to... Wait, I got distracted. I'm going to the bookstore to buy something. Yo, I thought I saw someone na taga Naval. Dumbass. Cool ilang stuff. Guys, I'm looking for the kuan I saw on TikTok na kuan siya. Meron siya og bag charm but ma-open up siya and then you can use it for kanang ibita imong boba. Like you can put your boba there ba because you can open it. So I'm here looking for that shit. Ano sa may kuan ato? Ano sa may tawag ato? Hayop. Ooh, Stanley's. But it's gonna be too heavy to bring back home. Guys, I found it. So, inano siya. Like, you can open it niya. Mura siyang bag sa boba. Wala pa dyan kuning buy o boba. Para lang mag-buy ko daan o ginaan. It looks like this. Like a pig. But I'm gonna choose something else. Pig siya. This one, strawberry and a pig. Oh my god! Wait. I'm excited pero hindi na ako gusto ipakita. Oh, over. This one. I might get this one. How much is this? Guys, hapit ko nag-panic attack because I thought Jellycat me. It's not right. Yeah, it's not a Jellycat. Oh my god. Which reminded me na magkuan ko. Look for a Jellycat shop here if there's one. But hapit ko nakuyapan. Wait. Oh. I thought Jellycat na food. Gago. Cute ang mga pigs nga naibuba. This is what I'm getting. I have no idea though how much ni. But anyway. Oh, tangina guys. I just paid for the kuan ba? The pig milk tea holder. Guess how fucking much? Guess how much? 550 NTD, which is what? 1,000 plus pesos for that fucking pig. Strawberry pig na hold of drink. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. Money will come. Ay, wow. May Taiwanese gift dito, guys. Ayok. So, naka-CR, naka-youth.
Yeah. Uy, discount
The
lang.
Frogglers. Mag-tax refund ko kay nilapas na ko.
Dere ah.
Guys, daghan kay Frogglers and there's a shark one. It's so cute. Na siya gi-mention nga name diri tas inulit pa talaga.
Ikat na lang.
Beep yun, beep. Cute, mga keychain.
Ako pang kuya ni ba? Ano ganahan ka kabatay ka? Uy, away ang cake. Kuan plastic.
Oh, bito, daghan mo kung inani yun.
Oh, de? Ano sa'yo nga na ni?
Frogler. Guys, nagpa-tax refund ko and then they gave me a gift. Milky and a sticker. Cute. Guys, sakot ko gid kaayo akong tiil because I'm wearing like red dress. And it hurts na a bit, but I'm a baddie so I can do this. Who the fuck is Mark? And his anime stuff. Wait, I'm gonna buy na lang food for my brother. But ano saan na yung gusto? Oh! Saan ito ba yun? I swear I saw him. May ano siya inside. Tikag mga anime stuff that I can't relate to. I mean, I watch a little bit of anime, but dili ang kanang mga himuang ug mga inani. Lord. Nara ang bayot. Yut. Bading. Ano, may napili ka?
Bati mo sa quality pero cute. Ganahan sa quality.
Guys, I'm in 2nd Street right now. It's like a vintage thrift shop. Niya over ang kanta. Parang sumisikip na. This is my heaven, guys. Mga vintage shit, but this one. Masakit pa ako datong bukan diri guys while mamili. So, mauli na ko. Charot. I'm looking for a bag. But, grabe ka expensive. Gago.
本店有丰富及多样化的商品，如遇商品放置于展示柜内。瑞
May
幸
mga
来一选，
books.
谢谢您，欢迎再度光临。
Look at this bag. Tapos sila yung shades, guys. I want this. I like this. Cute. Ilang mga shades. 1.5. I even have vintage jewelry for it. So cute. Guys, we're watching this guy. Guys, I'm buying this. Murag ka rin natagitan.
Pero may nalingkod doon sila sa
I'm buying this. 480 MTV. We're sitting down. With biscuits. My favorite strawberries. My favorite food ever.
Dami lagi lang strawberry dito eh. Kahit lasa sa Pilipinas. Nasa Baguio.
We ordered their famous boba, I think. We're just gonna wait.
Number 21.
255. It's this one. This is how they make it. This is the milk tea.
幸福党。
We're gonna try their Xiaolong Bao Hibot. Kung masarap ba yan? I'm so full.
This is me showing my love to Contessa kahit po. Ay, Maura. Ay, hello.
We found this. Ano? We found this. Guys, kahilinok ko gusto nyo like, tanaw lang, baon. Baon lang. Baon pa yun. Sumag anak ko. Kahilinok ko pa ang biscuit promise. Guys, nangihi na lang yun ko kay kahilinok ko. Guys, I'm getting a henna tattoo on my left arm. Asa ni dapit?
Si Mendy.
Shimending. Yeah. Guyot, basin makauyab ka dito. Ay, charot. We were walking around and then we saw this
And we saw that.
Mga kabadingan. Guys, nanapod ko sa laing branch sa 2nd Street. Hopefully, I can find something. But before this, we went inside sa kuan mura siya sex shop. And bawal din mo so dito if wala kayo sure if wala kayo sure na kay palitong na. So, nigawas mo and then bawal mag-film po. Back to our hotel. Because we're tired. I survived wearing wedges the whole day, by the way. May baklang nagpo-pole dance. Nainis ako sa kanya kaya di madag-joke. Like, lahat siniseryoso tanga. Guys, we're walking na towards our hotel. And I'm so tired of this guy. Gay, I mean. But yeah, I survived wearing wedges the whole day.
What's that?
Pansit. Charot. We're almost there. I think like 2 minutes. Oh. Guys, don't mind how I look. I look so oily and haggard and bummy. Charot. But I'm walking around right now. Si Marke, nag-sleep siya. Mga cute cafes dito. Kasi si Mark nag-sleep siya. And then I got bored and murag sayangan ko sa time. So, naglakaw-lakaw na lang ko. Cute man there is near our hotel. I think I'm going to a mall. If it's a mall. But yeah. I got bored, so. Guys, I'm inside Taipei City Mall right now. Ang wala ko kabaw unsay na-adiri. Puro mga enani ang naa. Mga anime. Guys, Adidas found me. So, I tried on a short and a skirt for pickle and for running. I might get it. Only price, animal. So I don't know. So, but I might get it. Cute. Look at this Ferragamo heels. It's so cute and it fits me. Kani yung tatong cute ang tato ni Miu Miu. But di siya sigo. But look. Loki don't like the color though. Wala talaga ko yung napusuan, guys. Like nagtuyok-tuyok na dito ko nagto. Diyo ko gusto na ganahan except ka itong mga heels. But di po siya in love mo, like oh. So karon yung gawas na lang. Hopefully, charot. Di na ko magsigas to, please. But, ambot asan ako? 4th floor? Saan ko pila mo din ko floors? Ayun. Charot. Lumingon siya. Ayun. Guys, may mga pang-hike. Ano, magbitbikuan dito, pauli, ang ina. Actually, kaninga floor kayo mo siya mga outdoor shop na ay Columbia, The North Face, Mount Bell. But, saan ka, magbitbikuan dito, pauli kayo ka ba? This one. How much is this? Yung, like, it's still, sayang, magbitbit. So, ano, magbitbit kong 10 pauli. Charot. Napaari the car, like, yun. Mga pang-hike. Muna ni Ron, kaya wala ko nagpakatul-tul kung asa ko. Hindi ko na alam, pero makuha na o Google Maps. Pero asa na yung dapit? Hindi kasi ko dirining sud. Magpakidnap na lang ko. Ganiya, mga tao akong gisudlan. Karon, dagan kay tao. Mag-Google Maps muna ako, guys. PR. This is my view, guys. Wow, nag-post pa talaga siya. This is my view and I'm on my way to Nongxia. Kanang night market to eat dinner. Wow. So, mo to guys, may agi ko mga kalisod. Wow. Basta guys, mukhaon ako dito. I'm kind of hungry. Yeah. Guys, I bought sweet potato balls. Grabe ang mga line diri. So, nag-appetizer muna ako. I want rice though. I'm looking for an ATM because I wanna withdraw. Ano ko cash. Guys, na-overwhelm ako kasi walang English. Ni-try ko og kadtong restaurant na may kiosk. Yan, ni-ask ko sa kadtong guys sa kadtong guys sa kilid na naabay na English. Niyo ilang gi-check ni ulo. Utang. Guys, asa naman po? Charot. Namiling ko og ATM. Nag-search ko. ATM near me. Tapos nahablot ka ang phone. Yun na. ATM near me. Another diri. Let me check. Gutom na ako guys. Pero nabusog na po sa potato balls. Ano? Bingo. Ay, sige bangga ikot ito. Charot. Yes, naka-withdraw na jud ko. Mula. Ay guys, sana makakain na. Please, kahiyo na po kayo. Kalibangon, katugon. Kahit daon, charot. Mangita na ko o kuan. Mangita na ko asa mo kaon. Pero, di kasi English. Ang kadong mga restaurant niya, ang kanang mga, ang naasa kadong night market, yun ba kayo? Wala yung mga table. So ano, maghigda kong kaon. Charot. Wag ganit table. Ano yung bed? Tanga. Basta guys, I'll update you. Guys, this is my food. Beef pho and spring rolls. Thank you God at nakahanap ako ng pho. Thank you talaga Lord. I don't think I can finish though. Guys, di na dyan na ako maubos. Pero hayop si kuya, nakatingin sa gidli. Masarap naman, pero dahil nabusog na ko sa kadtong sweet potato balls. Sino na ako na-finish. At itong mga kuya dito sa gidli. Grabe ang tingin. Masarap naman kuya, di ko lang maubos. Maun iyang after. Busog na chocolate. Promise, ipugos na ito na kung kaon. Guys, super duper busog na chocolate. Like, di na ko kahinga sa kabusog. Di na ko katulong og laway sa kabusog. Like, nakuan ko na feel bad ko. Kaya basi nakainin sila nga. Hindi ka na lamig siya. Ba't di na siya isla? Guys, maulit na ako sa hotel. And pwede rin ay anak mo labang. Dito, dito. Ano pag nisunod ko? Oh, tapos naligsan. I went to 7-Eleven to buy toothpaste. Kaya naubos akong toothpaste. Og hair tie. Sana ako nakalimutan mag-buy. Ay, napang. I wanna rest na. Guys, mga 3 months na ni magpanggap ko nga buntis aron dili kuligsan. Busog na ako. But this is our hotel. Muna among hotel. Nasa sa kanang tunga. Nairodiri. Then inana siya nga tubangan. Yeah, that's our hotel. Day 2. Karon is ang itinerary today is we're going to asa to yun?
Gondola.
Gondola.
Gondola ka.
Gondola. Basta Gondola, choo-choo. We're waiting for the bus. We're not gonna ride the train today. Mag-zoo pod me. And the weather today, it's kind of cloudy, but it's okay. It will do. It's the fit. Wearing thongs, sandals lang. On the way here, I think we're going to hear now.
下一站三张犁，
Guys, balik mo ng train because kuan, mura layo pa if nagpadayon mo sa bus. This is our view, guys. Ay, blur. Guys, sige, padung dito. Unfortunately, suspended today ang cable car. So, we're gonna go to the zoo na lang. Bakit naman suspended? Tangina.
Kasi,
Bading ka.
true.
Ayop. So, mga kanto na lang sa zoo. Over here. Taipei Zoo. First animal. Flamingo. Ito ba yung animal? Mga guys. Ini aspa. Guys, nisakay mi og shuttle bus sa niya. Abi na mo matuyok sa whole zoo. Hindi pala. Kaya, mas ang mga kuan. Tanang mga facilities. Go.
Mga animal care facilities.
Like, wala ang panda, mga restaurants. Like, gamay rag mga tao food. Niambot asa na yung hayop. Nangita mi og restaurant kay mga uni. And I think, guys, we finally found a place to eat. We ordered the same shit. And some onion rings. Guys, we're inside the penguin. The frozen world. Ito pa ang polar bear.
Ayan guys. Oh my god, mas mataas pa daw siya sa penguin. Pandak.
Guys, na yung mga penguin yan nag-swim-swim. Isda kasi na sila. Charot. Isda po nilang kauno. Pwede mo patong diri. Ay, wow. Hello! Sabi niya, pagkain ba to? Nami sa bear. Asiatic black bear. Uy, nawa na siya. Yan daw yung mga type niya. Gamay siya. Ang fair.
Balik. Tapos may tao. Okay, so guys, this is Condesa. Let's... Kano ti perfect. Lakaw-lakaw te. Hala, nice dito eh. Kana, walk. Or ako sa front ni mo. Hey guys, so we're in the Cougar station right now. Is that you? Puta. Ayan, kasi Cougar, a girl who loves to love a younger person.
Para bang minor ang sinasabi mo? Ayup ka. Ayun. Sleeping. Saan to? Elephant. Ano gusto naman siya? Guys, African elephant versus Asian elephant. Forehead has two bulges. Kaning flat forehead. Na para bang nagle-lesson pa siya. Guys, TBH, naboboard na talaga kami. Wala ang cable car, wala ang mga pandas. So, anong gagawin? Awayin si Mark.
Mag-judge ako Lenshi.
Woo! At ayun guys, amo na lang yung lakon jud kay.
Ay, narabi ang exit dito, girl.
Asa?
Dito, wala ba ba?
Ay, pataka. Kay, basta guys, lakaw-lakaw na lang yun para masulit pa among gidayan. Yan o. Pero gusto na ang dami mo uli. Bunitin ang mga wire yun para ka mga kurintihan.
Ang galit mo sa akin, ha?
Totoo. Lo, nara yung mga kalahi ni Mark. At ayan yung twin niya. Uy, so scary. Guys, nag-away sila kay nanay ng master. Charot.
Ano yun?
Ano sila? Uy, adin lang. Saan na sila? Maluoy ko. Luoy sila kay... Ay, kamayara sa iyang enclosure. Oh.
Bawal ba yun?
Luoy. Ipakaon na lang ka na po yun. Guys, we found the hippo.
That's my brother.
Ikaw nag-ingon na to, ha? Not me. Guys, nagpa-aircon na din. Is layo pagbaktas mo. Feeling kalal.
Ay, lagi paningot ko, girl. The camel. The camel. The camel toe.
Ang ina mo. Zinumpa talaga. Hayop kang bakla ka. Guys, we're here. Asa man yung dapit yun? Nag-video ragit mi guys kay pinamog mga sufu. Akats guys, hayop. Asa man nga atake yun?
Pang parang dili initan ng mga tao.
Ay, buo kasi eh.
Mist. I don't know what's a mist. Oh my god, it's a mistology.
Kabubuhan. Ay, walang mga pogi dito. Hala, doon na tayo. Diya man sa ato ni sakay dapit.
So where are we right now?
We're in the zoo gift shop.
And what are we going to do?
Magpa-aircon. Cute guys.
Yes, it's cute. But I love this capybara persa hoppers.
Bading.
Okay, so vlog takeover.
Pokemon. Pokemon or Pokeko? Charot. Ayok ng mga insekto yan. No. Last one. Guys, this is my solo. Yes, work it. Work it. At ito yung naming dalawa ng hayop. Para bang jowa. Kaluod. Ayan siya. Nagsusolo-solo. Bading yarn.
Tapos bigla tang buuan diri ron.
Ito, ice
Ate,
cream.
pwede ko makibutang sa bag ba?
Guys, gawas nami sa Taipei Zoo cause
Ala, wait lang, buo ka picture.
naboboard na kami. Ay, nalibot man namo pero yun eh. It's time to go. Wala kasi ang katong cable car. Hayop talaga. Imbis mao to among ari. Cable niya karon mo balik mi sa hotel kay naay murag cat cafe dito sa kilid. Then later, I don't know. Chill lang ni nga itinerary, like chill trip ra ni, wala mig apo sa itinerary, wala mig kuan-kuan, chill trip ra ni. Right, bitch?
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Bye, Taipei Zoo. Tangina, nagdagan na mag-isa. 3 kaya na magmulargan na kayo. At ayan, open pa pala. Dagan-dagan na talaga. No.
Okay.
Which one is cute? This one? Ay, blue. Ay, blue.
Blue. Pink.
Blue or black?
Blue.
Blue cute na or blue? Cute ang blue. Cute. Wait, akong itry.
Maingon ka ako nga. Hoy, ingon si Kuan. Ina-jokingly way ba?
Bugang talaga kayo.
Sige, ako try ha.
Ay, cute. Basin, ano, June.
Ha?
Basin, ano, June. Wala, cute. Ganun ko, ano.
Bet, no? Sige.
Cute siya, no? Cute siya.
Yeah.
Cute ang blue.
I like this. Ay. Oh, mas cute mo. Bagay siya sa Kuan. We're over tayo ang
Ay,
yellow.
ayan, no. Nasa yan. Wala, no.
Kada eh.
Diba, adin ako ang yellow kay nanira. I love you. So cute. Yellow or blue?
Blue, I like the blue one. I swear.
Gusto ko sa yellow.
Oh, ikaw! Ikaw ay masuot.
Ako siyang tantan. Which one is cute? Yellow or
Excuse me.
Yes.
Which one do you think is better?
yellow or blue?
Just for color, or you want?
Color.
Color.
I choose blue.
Blue?
Blue.
How about for me? What suits me?
What suits
think-
you?
I think you can like both.
Wow.
Oh.
Yellow and blue?
Yeah.
I think I like the
Because
yellow.
you can change.
Ah.
If sometimes you want yellow, you can use yellow. Right?
You just want me to buy both.
No.
He thinks you're cute.
Thank you.
Gago ka. You're so... What? Why would you say that, guys? I think I'll get the yellow one.
Ay, cute sa diyang yellow, te.
Diba? Guys, ang pogi niya. Unta akong gias ay ang Instagram.
Wala man kayo. Ngayon ko, hey, what's your Instagram? Basing gilaparo na ko. Gilaparo na ko, bali-bali aning bajihan.
Nauwaw kasi ko katong at the moment yun. In the moment.
Pachusi-chusi, gusto pala.
Nauwaw ko yun. Uy, yubo. Pero ang pogi.
Siguro, di ba, ni anak ko ganina guys, na if you saw the video, ni anak ko nga, she's cute. Ay, she's cute. She thinks you're cute. Tapos pag may ano ko, can she ask for your Instagram? Basing gilaparo na ko, bali-bali.
Nauwaw gid ko gyud sa kadto nga moment. Nya karon nagsisi na ko nga. Ay, I didn't ask for it. okay ra ko nga maingon siya nga dili kay na siya girlfriend. Okay ra ko. At least nang try ko ba. Wala, layo na kayo ni. Layo. We bought drinks, oolong tea.
Black tea with Yakult.
Is it good? Rate 1 to 10.
10 over 10. This is dumplings, but it has scallions, noodles. Instead of pork, there is tofu.
Guys, I'm gonna buy this one. This one? 145. Thank you. Guys, we're in Macau Cafe. That menu.
The place first.
Mo-check ta sa menu.
We check the menu.
The cats. May lamig ako ng driyos. Guys, we're here sa... Ano kung saan yung street?
We're just walking around.
Walking around. Cute. Gusto ko po mga naka-vlog.
Ayun, sa tabi mo. Pero bayot din.
Pero murag nag-meet up sila. So, aatras ako. Yeah. Kuya, I love you.
We're here, guys. I don't know what place is this, but we just walked from our hotel over there. It's very full.
British accent.
It's very full, actually. So this is Contessa.
I have a boy. Nana ko uyab, guys.
No, she doesn't have a boyfriend.
Naan ako uyab. Nana ko uyab.
The guy from Decathlon, right? Ay.
Nag-date mo sa akong uyab, guys. Pero, awa pa man sa usap-usap. So, di sa may magpakuan.
Actually, tropol sila.
Eh, kanang murag nag-cheat siya sa ako. Iyang panggap kay kanang best friend sila. Pero, uyab ko tayo sila.
What ding?
Guys, mag-kiss mo na kami. Bye-bye. We're inside this bakery. Wow. Dagkag mga pastries. Na Dubai Chewy cookie, but I'm so full. Maybe I'll buy now and eat it later. Maybe. I'm gonna buy na lang. Give chance to Tommy. Oh, should I get this?
Yes, because it's very nice. See? Wait lang, focus. See, it's so nice. You need to get it, girl.
It's Coach, vintage Coach.
Yes, it's a Coach. And it's only 1,000 NTD. Almost 2,000 pesos.
I'm gonna get it.
Yes. She's shopping. Well, I cannot shop because I don't have money.
Guys, so I think this is a sign. Ning balik kami sa Decathlon. Like, ning tuyok na dito.
And I'm gonna ask the guy for his Instagram for her.
Okay ra if ma-reject, like, okay ra if mayroon siya nga, no, I have a girlfriend. Okay ra, I respect that. But, try lang, di ba? Wala may mawa if mo try.
But
Yeah. Sana YGF. Charot, tas 18 years old ang ayo. Puta.
how old are you? Oh, my friend wants to ask for your Instagram. Tapos pa-judge gusto pa mga babae dito nga Chinese.
Padong na ang bayot mga ayo og IG. Sana single siya, guys. Charot. Guys, update. Ingon, what happened?
I do everything for Conch. We went back here sa Decathlon. And then, I asked the guy who assisted us kanina. Sabi ko, can I ask for your Instagram? Because my friend wants to ask for your Instagram. Then sabi niya, oh, it's okay, but I have to tell you, I have a girlfriend. So, ni-retreat ko dahil kay bawal.
No.
Tapos yung
Respect
mga
tayo.
ka-workmates niya,
Lumapit.
sa akin, be. Parang pinag-chismisan, like, in-gaff.
Di ba to kailan na to?
They don't know us, so...
Okay, retreat ka na ay girlfriend. We
Pero
respect that.
pangayon, be, on. Ubi, pag pangayon, wala na kayo.
Sige lang, uy. Maura maghihapon. Nasa uyab.
Apoy sabi.
Ay, naku. Ang mga trippings. Guys, we went back to our hotel. But right now, I left because I wanted to walk more. And I wanted to check something. And yeah, si Mark akong gibilin sa hotel. Yung sa mukuyo daw siya. Okay naman na ako lang. Hadlok ra kasabaan nila. Steffi ug Abby. Pero okay lang na ako lang mag-isa ngayon. Pero sila mga pang-hiking dito in fairness. But yeah. Guys, don't mind how I look. Pero kita na kong jellycat. Ba't mauro niya? This one. Mauro niya. Okay, sila. Ayun. Cute, ano lang. It's like the smallest, I think. Except sa kadtong kitchen. Mas maura na. Okay naman. Maura din siya, guys. Promise. Oh, ito. Nasa ubos, but fine, I'm gonna go there. Pero gamay na po ito siya. Sige, want to. Mura ni siya, guys. Nasa first floor. Cute ni siya doon. But gusto ko ka ng something small, mga inanay ba? Cute sila, pero ano to? Charot. Cute sila. What even is this? Ba't unsa na siya? Kanay kay mo. Ewan ko. Cute po ni horses. Cute ni siya, legit. But I found a store na napayla yung Jellycat, so I'm gonna go there. Guys, I found it. Daniel's friends. Nara siya. Wait. Here are the Jellycats. Oh my god. Wait, guys. I'm so... Oh my god. So daghan. Wait. Give me time. Guys, this is what I got. A small bag charm lang. So cute. TBH na overwhelm ko, guys, niya. Mas mahal ila diri. Like, may pagmupalit na ako sa online or sa restaurants. Like that, this one. Cute. Ang butasan ako. I was here yesterday, good, pero wala ko ang kitaan. So, where am I going now? Guys, I'm waiting for my Uber. Call your Uber, charot. Like, sumit-limit kayo, mga tingin, guys. Like, gusto na lang ko magpag-focus o guwapo nga 6'1". Charot. Pero sakit limit kayo ang tingin. As in, like, over, nag-slippers na lang ganit ko. Sakit sa kanalapa-lapa ba? I'm outside Q Mall. And I'm waiting for my Uber na lang. Bisag tuol ra gud ang kuan among hotel, malakaw ra, pero guys, di na kaya. Sakit kayo stiil. Guys, we just changed and we're gonna go to dinner. Buddy. Guys, we're back in Ningxia Street Market. And look at this. Me as fuck. Guys, I'm buying this. fried chicken. Parang tagal naman. Guys, I'm buying this now. Guys, I finished eating. I ate squid, chow fan, and a big piece of chicken. And this is my drink. How cute sa akong tattoo. Ay, henna.
Are you sure you finished it?
Niingon ko nga akong gi-finish. Sure, oy.
Ano ka? I'm finished eating.
Ako niingon nga na I finished everything. I'm finished eating, pero akong yatag kang mark eh, busog na ko. Yan siya. Guys, I bought this for dessert. I obviously can't finish it.
Smells bad. Tastes bad.
Yoy, pero kung ikalal, grabe mo apuch.
Dilita na.
Bobo.
Nag-usap di ka, man.
Ingon ko, muna ka himasa. Ingon ka nga. Himasa ka, ko nga. Wala di ay. Ayun ko nga. Ingon ko.
What's yung gisulti?
Unsa to akong ingon? Ingon ka nga, wala di ay.
Wala di ay.
Kalimot ko. Tatanga-tanga ka. Guys, matug na may kay. Sayo mi ugma. Like, sayo jud. As fuck.
So early tomorrow.
Pura gabo. 1, 2, 3.
Day 3 or 4?
4.
We're out. Morning. Because we're going to...
Bawasa ko MRT ko.
Asa ta?
Jushen, G. Never mind, basta mag-ano kami. Sige, ganahan ko tayo. Worship ka tatlo.
Guys, we're here waiting for Peter. Sa Taipei, saan yung main?
Station.
Taipei main station. Waiting for Peter. Peter?
Cayetano.
We're going na, guys. I-show mo Pikachu ng ID.
So cute!
With the group. We're going na sa bus. Then go to Jifen. Sa to?
Shufen, Jifen. Yellow. Ibig ka yellow, kay yellow.
We have many friends
This is
on the different
Peter,
places here.
our
How
tour
many persons here? 40. And if we meet a danger, what shall we do? Go outside the bus. And how
Here. Sa asa to niyo? Falls?
Golden water.
Golden Waterfalls.
Ay, di.
Oh! Putang. No, it's moving.
It is because we're walking down.
Uy, abi na kung steady siya. Bridge.
It's scary siya.
Free taste. So,
Jerky, man.
obviously. Try the honey. This is the falls. This is the falls, guys. It's very underwhelming though. I thought it was like big. But he warned us na di daw just big kaayo. Guys, muna akong gibutang. Find true love. Kay ang orange kay find love. Ang kaning white kay success. Find true love. TDH. Rich, hardworking, kind na may abs and biceps. Successful, strong woman. The duality. Hayop.
this color, tea color.
Okay, and we try the second flavor. We call it roasted oolong tea. If you like coffee, stronger taste, or you wanna add some milk honey, then I.
Guys, we're here in the old street. Jufen Old Street. And I bought souvenirs. I'm gonna go here. Si Mark ay nagpabilin siya dito kayo. He's tired daw. Sakto ba niya akong sudan or pamataka na lang niya? Sarap. I bought souvenirs and I have to withdraw again because grabe ang kwarta. Grabe ang tulutok. Kasi grabe ang kwarta. Sana punta ang sis guys, it's a bit cunt. Oh, okay. Guys, sunod ko sa among tour guide na parang teacher's pet yarn. Nagkatap. Basta may Pokemon. Yan ang tour guide namin.
To the visitor center by 3:35. Yes, our meeting time is 3:35. Where? Visitor center. Long wait for 10 minutes. Yeah. Remember, street yellow drop park. Be back to visitor center by 3:35 and set alarm your phone for 3:25, please.
Geopark.
Geopark. Yilyu Geopark. With our artificial. In English pa talaga sa bobo. I wanna swim, guys. And free dive. Hindi katulad ng isa dyan na walang gamit. This is the view. Guys, nag-photo booth ko. Alone. So cute. We're here.
Why I'm here, but I believe in most of you have seen my passion in this job. Yeah, I try my best to bring Taiwan to you and say bye bye to me and give me support. Thank you, Peter. Thank you. Okay, okay. And when I back to my
Guys, after a whole day of touring. North ba to? Dito? North? North. This is our first meal of the day. Mind you, it's 5:03. Beef wonton noodles, rib chow fan.
Chicken one pot.
Guys, since wala mo ko'y uyab, what if mo palit na lang po mga vibrator? Mga jud, mga. At kumakain siya. Yung wala mo palit ko vibrator, good. Ano yan? Charot. Guys, I forgot to vlog, but I am out and about alone. Because Mark was too tired, and it's okay. Because he was so tired from today's tour. From earlier's tour. Kay grabe ang walking and mga stairs. And ako kay masayangan kasi ko sa night. And then I wanted to try po their nightlife. So here I am. I don't know what this place is called. But here I am, near Shimendeng. Fuck, ayun ako, ayos ka ng kalibutan. But this is my second drink, by the way. First drink I had was a strawberry margarita. Second drink is piña colada, this one. And my next drink, I'm gonna transfer to another area. Guys, third drink, second location. Let's see asa ko maabot. This place is called Cafe Dalida. This was actually the first cafe na I initially planned to go to. Niya kayo naglapas-lapas ako dito sa unahan. Dali na, dito na lang. Guys, sa tinuod lang, naigo na ko gamay. Like, ika-upat na gulo ko nag-CR. And when I do go to the toilet, muna na ang sign na medyo naigo na ko. And it's real na ilang cocktails diri kay murag daghan siya alcohol na para lang. But this is my fourth drink and I haven't finished my third drink. So ano? Tara, charot. And then wala ko ka-realize na ang akong gi-stayhan na I don't know, like pub okay for gays. I mean hashtag support LGBTQ, but I wanted to look for cuties, charot. I'm not. But so funny because when I went to the toilet, puro man yung mga pride month, ay mga pride flag, mga ano. And then when I came back, pagdanan ako sa surroundings, ay hayop, mga bakling pala. Which is go. This drink is called Bad Bitch. Me. See, this is the bathroom. LGBTQ. LGBT. This is my 5th time peeing, I think. And then, na po ang toilet. Sorry, I'm a bit drunk. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a bit drunk lately. I'm on my 4th drink. I'm on my 4th cocktail. And I'm peeing. Dili na sa ground. Because this bar, the Russian LGBTQ, as you can see. So I can choose wherever I can be. Fuck. Kaya akong basta makita mo sa video guys, akong gipihan mo good guys. Na siya sa floor. Basta, it's na. After this last day, I might find a 7-Eleven or McDonald's, Mackey's, so I can. Guys, I finished 4 drinks, and now I'm about to enter McDonald's, of course. Wala sila, guys, so mas nang alaking. Then, what I'm gonna do. English. Guys, after drinking a few cocktails in McDonald's, obviously, that's my routine after drinking ng McDonald's. Kulay rice trip. Ano yata? But I ordered curly fries, chicken, and nuggets. Si Mark ng handsome. Charot!
Can you very few English, yeah?
English.
Yeah. Living say English.
Yes. Philippines.
不能吃东西哦，no。
No eating?
要
Okay, okay. No, 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 no.
那个，这个，
Sit back. Okay.
这个。呀。
Ah, okay, okay. 谢谢。
不然你脚要夹着。
Okay, okay.
You go to Taiwan tour.
Finish.
What is?
Done.
听不懂。
Yesterday.
Change.
Wait. Thank you, Tay. Sorry sa disturbo. Ay, ayun. Paano ipak in kuan? In 28 minutes. Nag-live pa ang bading. Period. Time check yun.
Time check is already 11.
Period. Timing. We're waiting for the bus. We left our bags sa hotel. We're going to Ximending because I don't know asa kami mo go. Guys, muna yung food. Xiao Long Bao, sweet and sour, xiao fan, and siomai. I-move na yun oh. Share. Our lunch for our last day here in Taiwan. Sweet and sour, xiao fan, xiao long bao, siomai. Xiao fan. Guys. Paano kayo ingon naami sa train station ba nga kanang ingon ko kang Mark nga sa kuan tayot padung ta G12 na aman mi sa G14 ron unya ingon ko nga paatras ta unsa imong ingon yut
Atras.
bullshit yut kamir ay mga team murag kamir ang sikat mo diri like ang mga tao diri kay murag mga serious kaayo nga murag wa sa mood kasi kami tawa ng tawa
Para bang walang respect.
pero ang mga tao napansin din ako ang mga tao diri mga wala naglakaw lang serious
May sarili silang mundo. Kami din meron. So, backwards.
ingon ko pa atras tayot ang bayot ni ingon sige atras na. Guys, I'm buying pasalubong
Can I try one?
cause I'm gonna make airport later. Lami or plastic ra ka? Lami or plastic ra ka?
Diyan ka?
Oh, is it the same?
Yes. We obviously can't miss Donkey. So here, mga buddies of buddies. Food ordering. So let's go down yet kay food ordering. Ay, up. Go.
Guys, which one is better? Parang na-try ko na to.
Puta ka. Bastos ka talaga. Uy, yut. Gago. Nay na, horny na siya yut. Guys, we're ready to go to the airport. This is the food. Tradition, wearing I heart, and then the country, going back home. Guys, we're leaving Taiwan now. But ang flight, 10 pa. Yeah, sa oras na 4. Over. Guys, I was gonna go back to the hotel because na ang
akong AirPods kay nabilin like ang case na lang ang naana ko ron niya. Akong gitanaw sa Find My na siya sa hotel but gi-email na ako ang hotel niya. Feel na ko nalabay nila kay ni-reply sila nga wala daw sila nakita ang feel na ko nalabay. Like nisagol siya sa trash box. Ako man itong gigamit gabi good while hubog ko so nakalimot ko butang sa case. Putang ina. Mubalik unta ko. Like, padung na unta ko balik. Nisakay kong train nga pabalik sa hotel niya. Ni-email man sila wala na ako sa train. So, sige na lang. It's fine. I can't do anything about it. I'm just gonna buy. It's hella expensive too. But if ganahan ako mabuy, then I will. I'm gonna buy na lang the wired ones. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Dude. Guys, we're inside the airport now and we're looking for food because we're hungry now. I got distracted and bought a bag in Victoria's Secret. I hate myself, but it's okay. Because nangita ako ng Victoria's Secret dito sa Taiwan, like sa malls. But wala, and there's airport na. So, yeah. What we're looking for is this is my haul. This is the wallet. And then kay mo man akong wallet so small kay wala man yung sulod.
770.
20 kilos. Walang wallet lang siya. Ingon pa. That's why I bought this kay ingon ko di ko ganang bulky na wallet because my old wallet was bulky. Palit ko bulky. Balik ka. This bag. Cute no? Diba yun?
Ano yung texture? Oh, back.
Ata po dami eh. Nani to? For airports. Oh!